Good evening, folks, and welcome. Alien Addict here. So, a few of you sent me the link to the Stars Academy video, Go Fast. I wanted to know my thoughts on it. I've not to copy what Secure Team's just said, because I have just watched the video just before I'm doing this now. But yeah, I'm slightly disappointed as well. And after watching what Tyler said about the video and the fact that it was put out 2 years prior, the East Coast 2015 video. Right guys, I've just been editing this video and I've just got to the bit where I'm talking about the fact that there is a video 2 years old, that somebody's already put this out, and I just needed to get some more information while I was editing it. I was going to take a screenshot and what have you. Just gone to Tyler's video, gone to the link that he's left. Now, I went to the link before to have a look at this. It was there. You click on the link now, this comes up. Give me a second. That is what you get. Sorry we couldn't find this. Find that page. Reasons might be for seeing this page. It exists, but you don't have the permissions to see it. Now, I could see it before, I guarantee you, I could see it before, and probably many of you out there could see it. Nothing has ever existed here, spooky. Something once lived here, but has been deleted, so it's just weird how it's been deleted. So I wonder if this guy has been paid off by Mr. DeLong. You never know, do you, in this day and age. It is weird. But, yeah. So, Tyler might do a video about this, because I would if I'd left this link and this had happened. I'd be making another video, because this is weird that this is gone. Anyway, carry on editing. Sorry. It kind of gets you questioning it, and I'm really glad that a channel like Secure Team is starting to do stuff like this, because it's the biggest channel out there. Let's face it. I mean, I've given it a little bit, not much, just a tiny bit of hate, Tyler, from time to time, just to keep you on track. No, you don't give a fuck. But this video, yeah, it is disappointing. I kind of want. There is more to it. I mean, you've got to ask yourself though, what can they release? What, and like Tyler says with the government, you know, what is the government allowing to go out? It's actually spot on what he's saying. Now, hey, I have not bought a Secure Team t-shirt yet, so just, I'm not there yet. Don't worry. Still got a little bit of hate, just a tiny bit. No, there's no hate. I don't hate anybody. I don't even hate Third Phase of the Moon. In fact, I love them. I love them. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, I get off track. I get sidetracked now and again. I need to stop doing this. Back to the Delonge. Yeah, Tom. Right, if you're watching this, which you won't be, what he needs to do now, I think he needs to put out a video of himself talking about what he's playing at. I mean, all this money's gone to the Stars Academy. What are you doing with his money? I invested £10. Yeah. Not that I didn't. I could have done. I did think about it. But it was a no. Yeah. It's a head scratcher, this one. It's like, where is this going? You know, I want to see some more about what you're spending the money on, rather than, you know, releasing little, what looks, it could be anything. It really could be. And I mean, the writing on the side, on the gimbal, it could be faked. And that could be just an object that's moving fast over water that's been speeded up all of a sudden. I don't think that's the case at all. I think it is something that they've actually filmed. I just want more. and because we're greedy little bastards as ufologists. That's what I call myself these days. Yeah, I've got my alien next to me. Yeah, so give us some more, Tom. We want more. Give us it. We're hungry for it. I said such good things about you before as well. Don't make me go back on what I'm saying about you. Anyway, the video. I don't think it's anything that. Nothing's everything that he said he was going to do, and he's going to show. He's amazing. It's not happening yet. Disappointed is the word. Give us something. Give us a fake UFO. God, just keep the punters happy. No, come on. If you've got something, give us it. See, this is it. I don't know if he has. I really don't. And it's pissed me off a little bit. I'm a little bit on edge. I was watching secureteam10's latest video in the bath before I did this. So you know when you get out of a bath and you're hot and fucking bothered? I'm hot and bothered now. After watching that. Passion, people. Dear. Anyway, like and subscribe. Good night, God bless. Mind the books don't bite. That's all I'm going to say on this. Damn bollocks.